है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। है मेरे प्यारे वतन, है मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तेरे दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम। तेरे दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम। चूम लूं मैं उस जुबां को जिस पे आए तेरा नाम। सबसे प्यारी सुबह तेरी, सबसे रंगीन तेरी शाम, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू। माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू। और कभी नन्ही सी बेटी बन के याद आता है तू। जितना याद आता है मुझको उतना तड़पाता है तू। तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। छोड़ कर तेरी ज़मीं को दूर आ पहुँचे हैं हम। छोड़ कर तेरी ज़मीं को दूर आ पहुँचे हैं हम। फिर भी ये है कि तमन्ना तेरे ज़र्रे की कसम। जहाँ पैदा हुए हैं उस जगह निकलेगा दम। तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी
सजती संवरती है रानी, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रानी। हाय तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए सो दर्द सर, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, तेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्म से निकल के खून कहे। हाय तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
That was amazing. That was awesome.
That was beautiful.
And that
Very
was a
good.
good choice of songs. You know, one from the old golden era and one like the latest one, which is like heart wrenching. Awesome choice of songs. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's
Thank you so
great.
much.
Yeah. There's
Thank
one
you.
more. One more.
One more performance coming up from UAE. Anilji, please play it.
Wishes you a very happy Independence Day. भारत माता की जय।
Awesome.
Amazing, amazing.
It was amazing performance.
Very nice performance.
Thank you. Thank you again.
And they pulled it off in 3 days.
I am
Oh,
telling
wow.
you,
Amazing.
they're super talented.
Super
They are.
talent. Who
Really
choreographed
great.
this? The choreography was cool. I mean, the idea of kids, moms and kids, that was wonderful.
Beautiful.
They did it at a studio, Sumitji.
Very nice, very nice.
Yes. It's Vandana and her friends. They pulled it off together.
It's the three mothers and the three daughters.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a super cool touch. Awesome.
Thank you.
Great,
Thank you so
Vandana.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I have to thank Anilji, Anil Misri, Vandana, and all the kids. I don't know the name of the kids, but all the moms and the kids, they did a wonderful performance. It just elevates the mood for the patriotic hour. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so
So
much.
nice of you. So nice of you. Thanks.
So
Thank you,
I should
Yuri.
say the names also. It's
Yes.
like Preeti Rana and Viha Rana, Vandana and Ahana, and Minakshi Kaul and Sanvi Kaul.
Shanvi?
Sanvi Kaul, the
Tanvi.
mother is
Sangvi.
Kaul.
Tanvi call. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Vandanaji.
much.
It was a pleasure. Thank you. And thanks to the UA team. Wow. Sunita ji, we are probably approaching our next segment. Thank you, Sunita. Take it from here.
Okay. Namaskar, everyone. What an amazing start for this patriotic hour. You know, first of all, a very, very happy Independence Day to everybody. Bharat Mata ki Jai. And after this Joshila start of the patriotic hour, now we will kind of go into a little trance mode. And I am honored to introduce our next participant, Mr. Abhay Rustam Sopuri. Abhayji just left our huge audience mesmerized on the SARS Tawaz culture program last night. Thank you for sticking with us for all day back in India, Abhayji. Versatile is one word that describes Santoor maestro and music composer Abhay Rustam Sopuri. As we heard last night, he is the youngest classical musician to compose and conduct orchestras and folk ensembles, and has also been the youngest recipient of almost all the awards that he has received, which include the prestigious Mahatma Gandhi Seva Medal, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan National Award 2017, and many more. Abhayji learned music from his grandfather, Pandit Shambhunath Sopuri, and his father, Pandit Bhajan Sopuri ji. I mean, they both are legends. They don't need any introduction. Abhay has over 50 notable releases to his credit and has participated in prestigious festivals across the world. His music in the Bollywood film Shikara has been lauded for bringing authentic sounds of Kashmir in commercial cinema. Abhay has the honor of being the only contemporary composer of India whose compositions has been conducted by the legendary maestro Zubin Mehta, performed by the German Bavarian State Orchestra, one of the top orchestras of the world. He has also served as the youngest visiting faculty at the University of Massachusetts. So without further ado, I would like the Sumitji, I think Sumitji, please take from here and let's hear Abhayji.
So please go ahead, Abhayji. Thank you so much.
Baji, we can't hear you. We still can't hear you.
Does he have to be upgraded to a panelist?
He's already a panelist. That's why he's here. Can't even hear a
We
word.
cannot hear you,
Some
Abhijit.
audio cord is not there. His system was perfect last night.
Any improvement now?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes.
We can never trust these gadgets. Somehow my the laptop, it stopped functioning a while back. The camera was not working. So I have no
Well, we
idea.
overworked it last night, Abhijit, so it needed some more rest.
I'll just check if the sound is for the Santoor is coming properly.
Perfect. Perfect.
Well, namaskar once again to everyone. Very, very happy Independence Day. It's a glorious year for all of us. It's the 75th Independence Day, and we have been celebrating across the country and abroad. And thanks to KOA, we are here again celebrating the great day. I'll be playing Vande Mataram in a little classical manner. And of course, I have the Santoor with me. And along with me, one of my very dear musicians, Mr. Sontake. His full name is Smith Sontake. He's basically from Maharashtra. He happens to be in Delhi with me right now for some projects, so he'll be on the electric guitar with me. So we take the permission of all and present Vande Mataram.
Please go ahead. Beautiful.
That's amazing.
Amazing.
Sounds completely different and refreshing on
Mm.
the
Thank
Santoor Abhiji.
So,
Thank you.
so
That was a
refreshing to
beautiful
hear you.
rendition.
We were
From the
still in trance from last night. We are still like going in that mode.
exactly from the bottom of
It
our
seems
hearts, Abhijit. I mean, I closed my eyes. I could not open them because this was for the soul. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mesmerizing, totally mesmerizing. And I mean, we right now we are kind of little kids, and we are surrounded by all these stars, and we're amazed at looking at this beautiful sky with all those twinkling stars. That's how I think most of the audience must be feeling. At least I'm feeling like that. And
precisely, Sunita, you just put it so aptly. This is what we feel. We feel that we are being given so much that we can't even absorb. So we just close our eyes and we listen to you. It was
yes, yes.
it was an amazing performance by Bhajanji yesterday, and we just kind of reeling under that effect still. So it's a great start to have you back this morning.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very blessed, very blessed. Goes beyond words to say the amount of gratitude we have. And keeping in line with that, keeping in line with all this legendary stuff, we have to now introduce another legend, Mr. Anurag Harsh. Anurag ji is born in Kashmir. He was first trained in music by his mother, Mrs. Asha Kaul. I mean, who needs, especially in my generation, nobody needs to know any introduction for Asha ji. I mean, she herself is a legend. She's the renowned legendary artist of Kashmir films and radio. Anurag ji then started formal training as a 6-year-old under Pandit Chandrakant Apte ji, and completed his Alankar and Masters in Music from Gandharva Mahavidyalaya at 17. Wow. He's had formal training in the Kirana and Gwalior Gharanas of Hindustani music, and has spent over a decade learning under the guidance of Pandit Bhimsen Joshi ji.
Wow.
Anurag ji won the All India Classical Music Contest organized by ITC's Sangeet Research Academy, and in March 27, he received a standing ovation at a sold-out concert at New York's Carnegie Hall. A highly accomplished engineer by profession, Anurag ji is a graduate of MIT and Wharton, sits on the board of directors and advisory group of various organizations, and has authored 7 business books, and is the chief data officer of a Fortune 500 company. He lives in New Jersey and with his wife, Malvika, and sons, Agastya and Vignan. I personally have heard him. The first time I heard him, I was like, oh my God, I wish in Kashmir we had gems like this. And then later I found out he was a Kashmiri gem. He is the son of the soil, and I am so proud. And you will. I don't even have the words to say how much you will relish the program. And before I can talk about another minute, I don't want to delay. Anurag ji, please take it from here.
Thank you, Anurag, for joining us. Thank you so much, and happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to everybody. I don't know what happened to my video. It just suddenly decided to go a little hazy. So hopefully, I don't know. Maybe I'll start it and start it again. Give me 1 second. Oh, here you go.
Oh, good.
All right. So we don't have any instruments here, so I'm going to wing it with the iPhone like we all do nowadays. So just bear with me. So I've got a little Tanpura going on here, which usually doesn't sound or is even audible on Zoom, but it's sort of more for me.
Today's, yeah.
All right, so let's see. I'm going to sing a bunch of songs and a little bit of classical stuff towards the end, and we'll see how it goes and how you feel about it. Uh, short, short songs, but happy Independence Day, everybody. And a special namaskar to Abhayji as well. That was beautiful, and we really enjoyed last night's program as well. And my personal regards to Bhajanji as well. Is it audible?
Yes.
Yes, yes, it is very much.
मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पे वीरों ने हैं प्राण गवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। है मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा कोई मदरासी, सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला, हर वीर था भारतवासी, हर वीर था भारतवासी, जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर, वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गंवा के। जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आई है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जोड़ी तोर दक्षिणे कुनाशे तोरे एकला चलो रे, जोड़ी तोर दक्षिणे कुनाशे तो बे एकला चलो रे। एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो रे, एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो रे। एकला चलो रे, ओ एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो रे, ओ एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो रे, ओ एकला चलो एकला चलो रे, ओ एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो एकला चलो। जोड़ी तोर दक्षिणे के नाशे तो बे एकला चलो रे। बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ। बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ। कोई हमसे जीत न पावे चले चलो, कोई हमसे जीत न पावे चले चलो, मिट जावे जो टकरावे चले चलो, भले घोर अंधेरा छावे चले चलो। बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम, उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वतराज विराट है, दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। यमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है, बाट बाट में हाट हाट में ये निराला ठाट है। देखो ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव की अभिमान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा, ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा। तुझे है पुकारा, ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। हो ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा। धरती सुनहरी धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा हो। धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोले पपिया कोयल गाए, सावन घिर के आए। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन गिर के आए। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से, सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से, बहके सागर से मिले। बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हे हमारा। वैष्णव जन तो कहने रे कहिए जे, पीर पराए जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो कहने रे कहिए जे, पीर पराए जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे कोई, पर दुखे उपकार करे कोई, मन अभिमान नाणे रे वैष्णव जन तो कहने रे कहिए जे बजे बजे सरगम बजे 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 सरगम बजे हर तरफ से सरगम बजे 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 सरगम बजे हर तरफ से ताल कदमों पे जाके आगे लब पे जाके लब पे जाके दीप जैसा गूंज बन कर देश राग गूंज बन कर देश राग देश राग गूंज बन कर देश राग देश राग देश जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Wow.
Great. Thank you.
Out of the world, Anuragji. We're speechless.
That was being spoiled.
Brought tears to my eyes, Anuragji. It was just
Thank you so much.
beautiful, beautiful.
Very, very
Totally out of this world.
touching, emotional.
Yeah.
We were transported back to India. Thank you so much, Anuragji.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anuragji. I cannot express in words the feelings I think everybody is going through. And after this, I think it's like a meditative. I wish we could do a, after meditation, they do a kind of quiet time, because everybody wants to slowly come down from those clouds. This is such beautiful rendition of everything. I mean, we are not in a position to even absorb this energy. We're so small compared to this big aura that you have created. And I guess after this huge amazing performances by Anurag ji and Abhay ji, and then we had UAE, all these presentations, UK presentations. This is, I think it's time for a little break to just hear me now. Be ready to hear me now. I want to talk a little bit about Independence Day in Kashmir, remembering Swatantra Divas. For us, Swatantrata Divas came after the word Swatantrata Divas. Otherwise, it was always Independence Day. It came after we got the DD Doordarshan national program telecast, and we all learned a lot of Hindi. We were not taught Hindi in schools, hardly Saral Bhasha or something, but we learned a lot of Hindi. And what a nostalgic feeling it brings. And then memories galore show up on the screen of my past. I remember seeing tricolor and state flag flying with pride in Kashmir over all the government buildings, schools, etc. In our school, we did the national anthem every day, and not a pin would move while we would be singing with pride, Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak. While growing up, there would definitely be firecrackers, etc. on August 14th, since that was the Independence Day for our neighboring country. And a lot of people in Kashmir were disillusioned that their loyalty was only for the spoiled child of Bharat Mata that had to be appeased and accommodated. But for me and innumerable children and families like mine, August 15th was a great day. Many days ahead of the big day, we would be preparing patriotic songs and skits for this day. And my favorite song was Allama Iqbal's Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindostan Hamara Hamara Sare Jahan Se Acha Hum bulbuli hai iski ये गुलसितां हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा. And the best part of the day was to carry those handmade pride, the small Tiranga flags in our hands, and sing the national anthem. We would get to keep those flags then. Yesterday, while I was talking to my brother, I was reminded by him as to how we used to make those flags. Those days, we didn't have much stationery choices. It would either be watercolors or crayons that we would use to color small sheets of paper. And then we would stick it on the bamboo sticks, which would be basically normally kulfi sticks that we would have saved, or just on a random stick. Also, sometimes we would use the tissue papers to make our little flags. The glue which most of the commoner kids would use would be the sticky rice, batapul, naram naram batapul. The streets would be decorated with strings holding small triangular cut and pasted pieces of tissue paper. If any of the older folks like mine remember Harir, it used to be, and those would be like small triangles cut. And you might think August 15th was a holiday, and when did we get to do such fun stuff? Some schools would do it the same day, and some would do it 2 or 3 days around it. But celebrations would happen. No ifs and buts about that. I remember my uncle talking about some parade somewhere in late 50s. Since we were living in village, none of the kids there had a proper business or sports pants. They were asked to wear white pants, but what to do? They don't, in a village, we didn't use pants. Well, here comes out the Gru's mind. Gru's brain is very, very, smart. So the villager mind came with the perfect solution. All the kids were asked to heavily starch their white pajamas, because every kid had a white pajama. So all the kids were asked, okay, you heavily starch your pajamas and then hand dry. After hand drying, then fold them like a pant, so that the next day they went to Srinagar for the parade looking sharp in sharp white pants. I was trying to find some information about Independence Day in Kashmir, but I was surprised to find very little information, since the ordinary Muslims will not want to be recorded, especially on the internet. I know there are books, but who reads books these days? A common man these days gets most of his or her info from the internet. I believe it's our duty to scratch our dusted memory bins and find out those moments of joy that we can pass on to our children to be solidified as history. Otherwise, like in the past 32 years, people think, Independence Day was never celebrated in Kashmir. We're just hoisting the flag. Now it's a achievement, because they had totally tried to obliterate whatever Indianness was there. So for our young members of the community and children, I want to reassure them that Kashmir did celebrate India's Independence Day with fervor before all this crazy insurgency started. A Kashmiri commoner slogan itself reiterates that he or she was happy to be part of Hindustan, which goes like this. The slogan goes like this: "Chun chun Hindustanu, dil chumagar Pakistan." It was a loyalty of convenience. And this loyalty stems from more than a century-old sentiment of a Hindu ruling over Muslims and being unjust. But what is never talked about is those centuries where Muslim intruders and then rulers almost annihilated an ethnicity of Hindus. I'm reminded of one of Azad's poem. He says to the common man, he says, "So osu gat jaruk noor. So osu gat jaruk noor. Se logut nar insano. Karat insaniyat badnaam, hayo be'ar insano." Although this has been written in early 1930s, but it still holds true today. And I will translate this little part for our young audiences. The couplet is talking about, "You were the light of love. You set fire to everything. You were the light of love, but you set fire to everything. Defamed humanity, O human, O you inconsiderate human. Hayo be'ar insano." Abdullah Azad was born in 1903 and he died in 1948, but he was ahead of his time. He clearly saw the evils like superstition, selfishness creeping in our society. He argued that the then present deplorable conditions was owing to these evils. He believed that it could be changed by hard work and love for the nation, active public and social life, disregarding passiveness and superstitions. Azad was optimistic that even though his contemporary generation did not heed him, they did not heed him till we were thrown out. But a few more, if I have a little bit time, a few more lines from the same poem of his. It totally resonates with the conditions and what happened, And he says, "Mohabbat bagrawun kyut karyo na qadratan paida. Mohabbat bagrawun kyut karyo na qadratan paida. Se logu dino imanu karun bapar insanu. Thavne qadratan panin khazanan than musrevit." Right? Thavne qadratan panin khazanan than musrevit. Se osi bagrawit kyun magar banyok hamar insanu. Kunui alam kunui adam namasik mazas nam. Yikem trovi dilas andar dui hundanar insanu. Banyok banyok dinuk tadarmuk tham. Na dinuk gam, na darmuk gam. Karan insaniyat matam, wuchit cheni kar insano. Pazad dim sin insanas titis darmas imanas. Karan kuniras yaksanas. Chuyus dognyar insano. Kurut fitnan fasadan nav deen dari watan dari. Kurut fitnan fasadan nav deen dari watan dari. Vanan yak chuk bedari yichi Kumar insano.
Beautiful.
Yes, this is the Kumar of our Kashmiri, was the Kumar of Kashmiri people who wanted independence. Another revolutionary poet, Dinanath Nadim, was a prominent Kashmiri poet of the 20th century. He was born in Srinagar city, and with him began an era of modern Kashmiri poetry. He also virtually led the progressive writers movement in Kashmir. Rooted to the soil of Kashmir, Nadim's language was spoken Kashmiri, though he initially wrote in Hindi and Urdu. Nadim Saab also wrote operas like Vitasta, which is Jhelum River, Safar to Shejar, The Journey and the Shade, Himal and Nagrai. Himal and Nagrai is like, you can say that it is a kind of a Laila Majnu story, a Kashmiri version of Laila Majnu story. Shuhul Kul, The Shady Tree, and Bamburt Yambarzal, The Bumblebee and the Narcissus Flower. The most popular being Bamburt Yambarzal, which was the first opera to be published in Kashmiri. Can you believe that we had operas also in Kashmir? Can you believe that we used to go to Tagore Hall to watch skits, to watch plays? We had Sahitya Academy, stuff going on. We had a proper drama clubs and everything. He wrote a poem, Micham Ash Paghich, I'm hopeful of tomorrow. It's there. It is what you can say that it stands true today also. And it is the most powerful anti-war poem in Kashmiri, which Nadim Sahab wrote. And his another anti-war poem was Bugyavnas. And it has been sung beautifully by our own Jemshri Dhananjay ji. If I can quickly recite the English translation of this poem. I will not sing today, I will not sing today, I will not sing of roses and of bulbuls, of irises and hyacinths, I will not sing. Those drunken and ravishing dulcet and sleepy-eyed songs, no more such songs for me. I will not sing those songs today. Dust clouds of war have robbed the iris of her hue. The bulbul lies silenced by the thunderous roar of guns. Chains are a jingle in the haunts of hyacinths. A haze has blinded lightning's eyes. Hill and mountain lie crouched in fear, and black death holds all cloud tops in its embrace. I will not sing today. For the willy warmonger with loins girt lies in ambush for my land. I will not sing today. So, yeah, I wanted to share a few lines with you all. And I know and without further delaying the program, I would like to introduce now Sumit Paremuji. He is our KOA Cultural Director. Sumitji has been instrumental, along with his cultural team, in organizing the various past and the current camp cultural events. Sumitji is a singer, songwriter, and a composer. His multiple albums and singles, all written and composed by Sumitji himself, are available on major platforms such as Apple, Amazon, Spotify, and JioSaavn. He has been performing on stage with live bands for over a decade now, doing fundraisers for major non-profits across the US like Akshay Patra, Pukar, etc. And if Sumitji was living in Kashmir in 1950s, then maybe his dad would have told him, but we are so glad that we are not in that era, and Sumitji is our star, our cultural star, our star for so many things. Thank you, Sumitji, for being shining star. And please, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Sunita ji. But before I, talk about my performance or my song, I want to acknowledge you. You kind of your discourse. You took us back. I mean, I learned so many things about the operas and all that you talked about. And again, it deserves a mention. I'm actually too emotional to sing right now. I'll do my best, but that was super awesome. We need to keep having those. These are pearls of wisdom that we can all. We need to nurture them. So thank you so much. I saw you got emotional towards the end. Your eyes just welled up. The feeling is mutual. Trust me, there's many people who felt that way. So thank you so much, and thank you for the great introduction. As I said, I'm quite emotional. I'll try to sing. I'll sing this song, and it's one of the newer songs from the movie Razi, Ae Watan Mere Watan. And the diaspora can really connect to it. We don't live in India right now. And the moment I heard this song, I couldn't get it out of my system. And it's really something that I can really connect with and relate to. So here goes. Please let me know when you can hear the track. Give me a thumbs up, Sunita ji, if you can hear the track.
लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया। लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Thank you so much.
वाह, चलता जाए, ये तो हम ऐसा लगता है कि हम चलते जाएं, इट्स लाइक अ वेव। वाह वाह, बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही खूबसूरत।
Thank you very much.
What wonderful rendition, and it's before some years before, it would always feel oh, we are so far away, we didn't have technology, itni advanced nahi hui thi, we would always be thinking हाँ इंडिया में क्या लोग कर रहे होंगे वो सब, but now it doesn't matter whether we are there or here. जो खून रगों में अभी दौड़ रहा है वो हिंदुस्तानी है, जो अभी जोश है वो भी हिंदुस्तानी है, and we are doing everything here which probably we would have done over there, I think a little bit more. And probably if we're back home, we probably would have been sitting down and watching TV, all the programs that were coming. I'm so glad we are doing all this, and especially for our young generation, for our young kids who have to take this legacy forward. So next, I am going to introduce our budding star. Her name is Arushi Kotru. Arushi is our KOA Youth Zone 6 youth representative. She's an undergraduate student at the University of Alabama at Birmingham. Arushi was not able to join us today due to a commitment, but she and her team, Fauji Bhangra, have a performance created for us. Fun fact about Arushi is that she's trained in American plus Bollywood styles of dance since she was 2. Bharatnatyam since she was 7, and found her interest in Bhangra only when she joined college. Bhangra is full of fun. You don't need to work out, and it is full of life. It is full of life. So I guess Sumit ji or Anil ji, you will have to play the recording.
I will start with Sumit ji.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you gotta come to my side and see how we live. Everyone who doubted me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness.
ਪੁੱਛ ਲੈ ਆਣ ਕੇ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਬੇਗਾਨਾ ਜਾਣ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਖਰੀ ਸਾਹ ਛਾਣ ਕੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਦੀ ਦਾ ਮਾਣ ਕੇ ਮਰ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਮਰ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਮੁਖ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਨਜ਼ਰਾਂ ਹਟਾਈਆਂ
What a performance.
What a performance, what a Josh. And I think we all should do Bhangra because then we'll become nice, slim and trim and fit. Slim and trim says are fit. We won't have any old age issues. Next, I'm going to introduce Rakesh ji, Rakesh Kaul. He doesn't need any introduction for Zone 3, but for the rest of us, Rakesh ji is from Zone 3, New Jersey, and he has always shared priceless renditions of Lalwak and other folk music on various KOA events, including the Camp Musical Night on the 13th. We will be playing a recording of Rakesh ji since he unfortunately was able to join us due to a sudden family emergency. We're sending him our love and our prayers. And I will request now again Anil ji to play that recording, please.
Sure.
सबसे प्यारी सुबह तेरी
Amazing. Beautiful.
I hope Rakesh is here and listening. This was so profound. Thank you so much. It tugged on our hearts, Rakesh.
Yes,
The
yes, very much.
and the
Very much.
Lalwak in between was an amazing touch. Thank you so much. You are such a wonderful person, and Zone 3 is proud of you always, and the entire KO is proud of you. Thank you, Rakesh.
Entire KO, of course, is proud of Rakesh ji, and he's always bringing these beautiful pearls to us. And we're very, very thankful to you. And in my previous segment, I think I forgot to thank Arushi. Arushi beta, thank you so much for putting that bangda and together, and it was totally amazing. And this is your I'm your Masi. I know your mom. She's like a sister to me. So our after this soulful rendition, you heard Mannare basically in Rakesh ji's voice. Now let's go to hear Mukesh. If anybody likes Mukesh, I would like to introduce Ajay ji. He's our next gracious guest from Zone 3, New Jersey, and is filling in today for his wife Vanita ji, who is also a fabulous singer, but could not join us today. On this patriotic hour, what better than the beautiful melody from Manna De Ae Mere Pyare Watan. Sumit ji, over to Ajay ji, please. Is Ajay ji here? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can.
Thank you. I'll be singing the song This Desh Mein Ganga Behti Hai. So I'm not a singer by any means. I'll give it my best shot.
You are a very good singer and you remind us of Mukesh.
Thank you. होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। मेहमा जो हमारा होता है, वो जान से प्यारा होता है। मेहमा जो हमारा होता है, वो जान से प्यारा होता है। ज्यादा की नहीं लालच हमको, थोड़े में गुजारा होता है, थोड़े में गुजारा होता है। बच्चों के लिए जो धरती माँ सदियों से सभी कुछ सहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। कुछ कुछ लोग जो ज्यादा जानते हैं इंसान को कम पहचानते हैं। कुछ लोग जो ज्यादा जानते हैं इंसान को कम पहचानते हैं। ये पूरब है पूरब वाले हर जान की कीमत जानते हैं, हर जान की कीमत जानते हैं। मिलजुल के रहो और प्यार करो, एक चीज यही जो रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। जो जिससे मिला सीखा हमने, गैरों को भी अपनाया हमने। जो जिससे मिला सीखा हमने, गैरों को भी अपनाया हमने। मतलब के लिए अंधे होकर रोटी को नहीं पूजा हमने, रोटी को नहीं पूजा हमने। अब हम तो क्या सारी दुनिया से ये कहती है, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है। थैंक यू।
Beautiful, Ajay ji.
क्या बात है, awesome, awesome.
Beautiful.
आपका झंडा देख लिया अजय जी, मुझे अपना झंडा याद आ गया। तो मैंने I had thought कि okay, I'm also going by, we have little flags here. So, but I totally forgot. But I saw your flag and I was like, this is the time I need to wave my flag.
Ajay ji, that was
Thank you so much.
Mukesh.
So proud.
Thank you.
Ajay ji, we are proud of you, man. I had seen you singing, but today was beautiful.
Thank
awesome.
you. Thank you.
You are established Mukesh ji now.
Yeah.
See, मैं गलत नहीं बोली ना?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
With the ease with which he sang, it was awesome.
Effortless. Wonderful.
Sumit ji, you are on mute.
You're on mute.
Thank you for inviting. Actually, Ajay ji, that was super awesome. Mukesh ji का गाना बहुत ही बढ़िया था.
Sumit ji, audio issue.
Yeah, it's breaking.
Is it coming now?
It's
Is
breaking.
it okay now? Okay. Sorry. How about now?
Better.
Yeah.
Is it audible? All right.
Kind of choppy, but a little better.
Yeah, I may have changed some. Okay. Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
No, I didn't do anything. I was maybe humming around and maybe I touched a button or
Static
something. Is it not
karaoke.
audible at all?
You're
Is it not
audible.
audible at all?
It's just not
Okay.
as clean as it was, but yeah, we can move ahead.
All right. Yeah, sorry about the technical glitches. So next, I know Sunita ji has been, here and, charming us,
Sumit ji, audio is too
There's a
bad.
lot of static. You're
Lot of
breaking.
static.
How about now? Is it better?
नहीं, आप माइक के बगैर ही सुनीता दी को इंट्रो कर लीजिए, I think.
Okay, hold on. Let me.
Now it's getting
Sorry.
better.
One second.
It's okay now.
Yeah, now it is better.
Is it okay?
Now it's
Yeah.
better.
Volume up a little bit and it's okay.
It looks like a loose cable somewhere.
Yeah, looks like I pulled something. I was maybe humming around. So is it fine now?
Static is
No.
back.
Back to static, yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me take the. How about now?
That is
Can
still
you guys
there.
hear me?
Better.
Okay, sorry. Let's go ahead and I'll just make it brief. Sorry, Sunita ji. I think you already enthralled us, with your versatile, knowledge and poetry. And I'm going to do a little bit of an intro. Sunita ji is as we saw, a very versatile artist from Zone 5, Texas, and she's of course born and raised in Kashmir. She gave us those nuggets, pearls that I'll cherish, and I'll probably reach out to you, Sunita ji, for more knowledge. So that's awesome. Sunita ji has spent most of her time in California and inherited love for poetry from her late father, and enjoys English, Hindustani, and Kashmiri poetry. Through her writing, she aims to convey emotions in a metaphoric imagery, and she's passionate towards helping people and using her life experiences, to express through art. So with that, I give you Sunita ji. Sunita ji, take it away.
Thank you, Sumit ji. Thank you very much for the lovely introduction. I'm going to, first of all, thank you, KOA, for giving me this opportunity to share my little things. I'm not a poet, but it's just whatever comes to me, and I sometimes pen it down. My first poem is going to be in Angrezi, since I tend to write in Angrezi, Hindi, and not Hindi, Hindustani, and Kashmiri too. So first poem is going to be in Angrezi, but English. It goes like this. On the loom of my dream, threads of longing scream. On the loom of my dream, threads of longing scream. Who is there to weave? Who is there to weave a beautiful scarf to cover the naked scars of yesteryears made by those dears, and festering wounds, a few of them, they still are. This manipulated world denies my cries, dismisses my pain, as my aggressor plays innocent, having fed every pen its ink, having obliterated the truth with lies. My scalded identity may not exist for long. My scalded identity may not exist for long, but in the annals of history, I want them to read this song. Tomorrows will have to know. Tomorrows will have to know how our todays were hijacked by the distortions and betrayals of yesterdays. Hence, I seek a dream weaver. Hence, I seek a dream weaver. Kaski, Zuchum Brahman Gargasha. The pulsating life in me is longing to go home. The pulsating life in me is longing to go home. Now, I will present another a little nazm in Hindustani. कुछ तन्हाइयाँ, कुछ गम और कुछ अश्क. कुछ तन्हाइयाँ, कुछ गम और कुछ अश्क दामने शाम में लिए बैठा है कोई. सिमटी सिमटी सी हस्ती में बिखरा बिखरा सा दर्द का सामान लिए बैठा है कोई. बुझ गया हो जैसे हर आस का चिराग. बुझ गया हो जैसे हर आस का चिराग. यूं अंधेरों को आंखों में लिए बैठा है कोई. दिल की आवाज भी सुनाई नहीं देती है जहां. दिल की आवाज भी सुनाई नहीं देती है जहां. उस मकाम अर्श पे रूह को लिए बैठा है कोई. हर तंज को हंसी के सांचे में डालकर. हर तंज को हंसी के सांचे में डालकर होठों पे एक नई मुस्कुराहट लिए बैठा है कोई. जिंदगी का चांद हर बाम पे रहा क्यों जेर अब्र. जिंदगी का चांद हर बाम पे रहा क्यों ज़ेरे अब्र, लब खामोश पे यही शिकवा लिए बैठा है कोई। चाक कर दे जो हर दामने दस्तूर दुनिया का, चाक कर दे जो हर दामने दस्तूर दुनिया का, हर शख्स को उस शख्स को सजदा करने के लिए बैठा है कोई। The last one, यारों की महफिल में, यारों की महफिल में सुना है दिलशाद हुआ करते हैं, यारों की महफिल में सुना है दिलशाद हुआ करते हैं, इस करके महफिल यारा में दिल बर्बाद लिए बैठा है कोई, इस करके महफिल यारा में दिल बर्बाद लिए बैठा है कोई। Now we will
Wow.
go to
Allow us to say wow, Sunita ji. That
great,
is
Sunita.
amazing poetry.
Beautiful poetry.
Your choice of words is awesome, awesome.
This one I will, this is a small couplet. It's like, you can say it's a vak. For the young ones, young audiences who don't know much Kashmiri, I'll say it with translations also. So the first line goes like this: Mechum sarma cheshmau andar ut atsun. Mechum sarma cheshmau andar ut atsun. Mechum andrim sugyanu gash deshun. Mechum sarma cheshmau andar ut atsun. Mechum andrim sugyanu gash deshun. Dapanch shiv pane murtiman bhit ait. Dapanch shiv pane murtiman bhit ait. Mechum magar mai hund hai pard god satun. And I'll explain you translations. Mechum sarma cheshmau andar ut atsun. With the mindful clarity vision, I have to go in words. Mechum andrim sugyanu gash deshun. I have to perceive the light of knowledge that already resides in me. Dapanch shiv panai murtiman bhit ait. They tell me Shiv himself is sitting there in the inner altar of my being. Mechum magar mai hund hai pard god satun. But I have to first tear away the cobwebs of ignorance, which is Maya, that cover like curtains, the doorway to the door that leads inwards. Mechum sarma cheshmau andar atsun, mechum andrim sugyanu gash teshun, dapanch shiv panai murtiman bhit ait, mechum magar mai hund hai pard god satun. If I think I have, this last one is an inspirational poetry for all the young audiences and for everybody too, but we parents try to inspire the young, our youngsters more. The title of this poetry is Life is Beautiful. Life is beautiful. Live a life every moment. Every moment is transiting. Life is now, life is here. Past is dead, future is never born, because life is only here and now. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, open your heart. Lift your spirit, drop your ego. Breathe in the mist of love. It is the elixir of life. Spread your arms and embrace this very existence. You are the soul and not the body. Unravel its power to transcend the universes. You think it's locked in a cage of bone and flesh. Remove the doubts beyond reason. You are the intense energy beholding the power of creation. You are the manifestation, yet you only manifest. Understand the dynamic shifts in your nature. Understand there is only inert matter till you manipulate it into form and action. Just flow in the river of consciousness. There is a vast sea that it will merge into. There are vistas that I know not of. There are vistas that I know not of, but you sure will discover. Standing there, you will gaze through that landscape of life, a view which will be authentically yours, to be painted on the canvas of your memory. Come now. Come now, you have to build that gallery for the future to peep into it. Come now, sow those seeds of empathy in this fertile soil of your deeds. Let them sprout to fruition, blossoming beauty of your heart's garden. Let them sprout to fruition, blossoming beauty of your heart's garden. Let it warm the destitute hearts. Let it warm the destitute hearts. Come, my darling, it's time to live now. Thank you very much.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Sunita.
Beautiful.
So beautiful. So beautiful.
That's awesome.
Thank you very much.
You have a magic with words. And you just choose the right words and the phrases.
She sure does. And one thing got stuck with me. My hund hai pardu satun. With your permission, I may use it in a song. Of course, after your permission.
Definitely.
My hund hai pardu satun. It's not. Those words are magical. Awesome. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
कहते हैं ना लफ्जों के साथ खेलना, वही करती हैं आप.
ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. थोड़ा बहुत उधर उधर.
वो लफ्ज आने भी चाहिए, नहीं तो.
Absolutely, वही. It's everything.
He weaves the magic.
That's exactly. You weave magic.
The package.
That's where your scarf is going to be woven with the magic.
I'll wait for that.
Thank you.
Beauty.
चलिए विदाउट आगे प्रोग्राम बढ़ाते हुए नेक्स्ट जो पार्टिसिपेंट हैं बहुत ही जानी मानी हमारी अपनी अंशु टिकुजुची. Anshu is a Bay Area based singer and has been featured artist in the past KOA events, including the Camp Musical Night on the 13th. Abhi aap logon ne wo to dekha hi. Anshu is currently a member of the Hindustani Classical Choir under accomplished guru Arita Sahai of the Banaras Gharana. So without further ado, I would pass the order to Anshu. Hi, Anshu.
Hi, Sunita Di. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. आपकी पोएट्री ने तो एकदम सारे patriotic spirits और they're like spiritual guides to us. Thank you so much. So namaskar to everyone. आप सबको 15th August की 75th Independence Day की सबको greetings. It's such a special day. Today the song that I've chosen to sing is a tough one for this time of the morning, but I'll try my best. It's a beautiful song. It always brings tears to my eyes, and I hope you all will enjoy it. It's "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logon." So I'll get started. Hello? Yeah.
शहीद हुए हैं उनकी रंगीन पे धर कर माथा सो गए अमर बलिदानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थी दीवाली वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में वो झेल रहे थे गोली। थे धन्य जवान वो अपने, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई सिख कोई जाट मराठा, कोई गुरखा कोई मदरासी, कोई गुरखा कोई मदरासी, सरहद पर मरने वाला, सरहद पर मरने वाला हर वीर था भारतवासी। जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर वो खून था हिंदुस्तानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया फिर भी बंदूक उठा के 10-10 को एक ने मारा, फिर गिर गए होश गवा के। जब अंत समय आया तो जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं। क्या लोग थे वो दीवाने, क्या लोग थे वो अभिमानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको इसलिए कही ये कहानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय
Goosebumps,
Whoa.
goosebumps.
Whoa.
My God.
Deep justice to the song, Anshu.
Beautiful, beautiful.
This was the wonderful present at the end, a
Yes.
conclusion.
Yes, yes.
You just made it. You just did a wonderful job. Thank you so much.
I'm
Anshu.
in tears myself. So
Yeah, it really brings tears to our eyes. Yes.
It is that song. But
Whenever you hear it.
Yeah, it
you
gives you
did-
goosebumps, and you are just kind of totally in a different world.
Thank you, Anshu.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you. I'm grateful to all our soldiers, all our unsung heroes who lay their lives protecting us every day.
yes, we have to always be grateful to them. And as in when we in our Sanskritic traditions, whenever we have a shlok, and there's always like just a om, and in the end we do an om. That's a samputi. So this was the perfect samputi of our today's program. And so thankful to you for making it so beautiful and so soulful. I think we are done with the everything except now we have to do in the national anthem, India Ka Apna Jana Gan Man, and you I think Sumit ji or Anil ji will have to take from here now.
At this time, I would request everyone to stand up for the national anthem. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाता, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय